In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue store credit on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just getting started, understanding how to effectively manage store credit is a valuable tool that can help enhance customer satisfaction and increase loyalty. So let's dive in and walk through this simple yet essential feature of your Shopify store. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your store credit functionality is switched on. It's super important because it lays the groundwork for everything that follows. To check this, head on over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings. Once there, look for the Customer Accounts section and make sure the Store Credit option is toggled on. This step is crucial as it enables the capability to issue credit to your customers, which is what we'll be doing next. Now that you have your Store Credit feature activated, we'll move on to your Shopify dashboard. This is your command center. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Customers. Click on that to access the list of all your customers. Here, you'll be able to select the specific customer to whom you want to issue store credit. It's a straightforward process. Just scroll through your list and choose the customer you're looking for, or use the search bar if you're dealing with a long list of clients. Once you're on the chosen customer's profile, look for the Store Credit section. You'll see an option with a pencil icon. This is your editing tool. Go ahead and click on it. The pencil icon is your way into adjusting and assigning specific store credit amounts, giving you the flexibility to decide how much credit you want to issue to this customer based on their needs or your store's current promotions. Now it's time to set the amount. Think about how much store credit you'd like to provide. Input that amount carefully, double-checking to ensure it matches your intentions and the value you wish to extend. After you've set the amount, you'll see an option to review changes. Click on that, as it's a good practice to confirm everything before finalizing. This window gives you a summary of the changes you're about to make, ensuring there are no unexpected surprises. And there you have it, a straightforward way to issue store credit on Shopify from activation to execution. By providing store credit, you're not just offering your customers a tangible benefit, you're also paving the way for repeat business and fostering a stronger store-customer relationship. If you follow these steps, you'll be well equipped to enhance your customer service strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.